Why do we have hiccups? Ever had hiccups that just won't stop? Hiccup happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly tightens without any warning. When that happens, your vocal cords quickly close, making the funny hic sound. The fun fact that eating too fast or drinking fizzy drink like soda or coke that can sometimes trigger hiccups. What trick do you use to stop the hiccup? Tell me in the comment.